Hey everybody, thanks for watching another video from Rising Phoenix Antiques. This is a Honda gx390 13 horse horizontal shaft engine. As you can see right there, I basically just checked the fuel and everything in it and knocked the dust off it. So it is cold. I've not had this running. That's the exhaust cover right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it cold and just let you see how it goes. So here we go. Alright, on off switch on. Choke. I believe that's choke. Yes it is. And we'll put the throttle about halfway. Oh, maybe that's the fuel. There's the throttle. How the fuck do we... Oh, there we go. Okay, so I believe that's going to be all the way down. Let's give her a shot and see what happens. Okay, choke. Go about halfway. Throttle. There you go. Nice and quiet. Thanks for watching.